If someone trespasses on my property and gets hurt, am I liable? When it comes to trespassers on your property in Colorado, understanding the nuances of liability is crucial. While property owners are typically not responsible for the safety of trespassers, there are exceptions to this general rule. In this article, we will explore the intricacies of trespasser liability in Colorado and shed light on when such liability can be imposed. In Colorado, a trespasser is an individual who enters your property without permission or legal authority. It is essential to establish that the person lacked authorization to be on the premises to classify them as a trespasser. Understanding trespassing. It is essential to differentiate between two main types of trespassers: uninvited licensees and trespassers with malicious intent. Uninvited licensees. Uninvited licensees are individuals who enter your property without permission but with a lawful purpose, such as door-to-door salespeople or solicitors. This means that if an uninvited licensee is injured on your property due to your negligence or failure to maintain safe conditions, you may be held liable for their injuries. Trespassing minors. Colorado law treats minors who trespass onto your property different from trespassers over the age of majority, 18. You have an obligation to keep children free from harm while on your property, even if they do not have your permission to be there. You must repair known hazards or defects or post warning signs to reasonably protect the trespasser from injury. Attractive nuisance. Under Colorado law, an attractive nuisance on your property may cause injury to a child and result in liability for a child's injury caused by the nuisance. An attractive nuisance is a hazardous object or location that is attractive to children. You have a duty to keep children away from the dangerous object or condition, such as using gates or fences. Even if you maintain the property condition or items safely, you have a duty to take reasonable steps to keep children, especially young children, away from these hazards. Trespassers with malicious intent. Trespassers with malicious intent, also known as trespassers by invitation, enter your property with harmful intentions, such as vandalism or theft. While you are not obligated to ensure their safety, there are legal boundaries to consider. Legal obligations and potential liability under Colorado law. As a property owner, it is crucial to understand your legal obligations and potential liability when dealing with trespassers. Duty of care. Property owners generally owe a duty of care to individuals who have a lawful reason to be on their property, including uninvited licensees. Foreseeability. Foreseeability is a crucial factor in determining liability. If you were aware or should have been aware of a potential danger on your property, such as a hazardous condition, it may be deemed foreseeable. Warning signs and liability limitations. To further protect your legal rights, posting visible warning signs can serve as a deterrent and provide evidence of your intent to discourage trespassing. However, please note that warning signs alone do not absolve you of all liability. If you are aware of an immediate danger, it is your responsibility to take necessary action to prevent harm. Can you intentionally injure a trespasser? In Colorado, you may not intentionally injure a trespasser either by attacking a trespasser, aside from defensive acts, or setting traps to injure trespassers. If you act in genuine self-defense or defense of others, you can argue that motive justified causing injury to a hostile trespasser. Dangerous dogs and trespassers. All dog owners have a duty of reasonable care to avoid their pets attacking underage trespassers, licensees and invitees on the property. If you own a dangerous dog, you have a higher duty of care to take reasonable precautions to avoid injury to anybody, even trespassers. A dangerous dog under Colorado law is a dog that has caused serious bodily injury to a person, domestic animal, or livestock. If you own a dog deemed dangerous by law, you must take reasonable precautions to prevent injuries to other people, including trespassers. Conclusion. Navigating the topic of someone trespassing on your property can be complex and overwhelming. Understanding your legal obligations and potential liability is crucial to safeguarding your rights as a property owner. By taking proactive measures, such as maintaining safe conditions and seeking legal counsel, you can mitigate risks and protect yourself from potential liabilities. If you require further guidance or assistance, our experienced legal team at Front Range Injury Attorneys is ready to support you. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and ensure you have the necessary legal expertise by your side.